Historically, of course, the Union Station and the arrival of the railroad was a foundation to build the city.
Dina's, one of her big vision points that we always focused on was that this could become Denver's living room. So that was really, I think, the vision.
Jim knows I'm a big fan of architecture. It had been originally a great example of classic architecture of its time.
I love historic buildings. I'm a preservationist as well. Those are sort of my two loves as an architect, are historic architecture and hotel design.
Originally, when we told people that we were planning to do a hotel, many of the preservationists really objected to that. It was extremely important to the 24-hour nature of the property and also the financial success.
There are no locks on the front door of a hotel. They're always open. And so they've served throughout history as a community social gathering space.
And they symbolize the style of a city at given times. It's just an extremely congenial place, and one of the things I like to do is come down and watch people here. You'll just see people from all over the world up here, and they're all kind of dazzled. They feel like there's some special place.
She would tell you that the success is only measured by the happiness of the people in the spaces that she's created. Is that fair, Dina?
Well, I think that's really a nice thing to say because, you know, wherever you go, if you see people smiling and having a good time, it's the absolute best endorsement that a place can have. And so, yes, I think that's true.
It's always changing hour by hour. And so I think in that sense it's very inclusive, has a lot to offer everyone.
I worked on this project for 30 years. Being able to pull it together with such a fabulous group of people was a pleasure.
Timelessness of the building is a result of that careful teamwork, that there was no individual style that was necessarily expressed.
We did what the building wanted to do.